this video, you are going to see how to sort data according to color in Microsoft Excel. Here I have our data set, and here you will see I have two colors. I have multiple colors. I want to filter it by color. Let us click on anywhere in this column, then go to data. Now click on sort and make sure my table has headers is checked. Now I want to sort the data according to the department column. Now let us choose from here department. Go to sort on. I want to sort it by cell color. Now here is the order. If I want the yellow first, then choose yellow, and if I want this color, then choose this one. Let us choose this color, and it will be in the top. You can choose this in the bottom. Now click on OK, and here you will see the magic. I have filtered the data according to the cell color. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.